One of the projects on the list for 2026 is to fix my poor neglected Integra. So today I'm going to pull the bumper off and get this into the smash repairer so they can start preparing it and get rid of this ugly scratch on the front. And hopefully we can get it back to looking perfect as it should. As you can see, it's just got the usual level of chips. There's a few bugs obviously, but this scrape is what we're talking about. And this little damage on the corner of the front quarter panel. So I'm going to pull this front bumper off today and the lip, and it's obviously got a little bit of a damage on the front of the lip here. So get all that fixed up and make it look brand new. Pulled all the bumper off and just dismantled it into all the different pieces, so it's ready to send the bumper and the lip to get painted. I like to take all these parts off and give them all a clean up and save them getting overspray on them. Take the badge off. I've got a nice new badge, so that'll be good. Anyway, all ready to send away. Well, Luke from Sampson has given me a call to bring the Integra in and get this repair done on the quarter panel. So I'm going to load this up on the trailer and take it into Sampson's now, and we can get started on fixing it up. I love this trailer. It's really really good to strap cars down on. Plenty of tie down points and plenty of room to position the car. Might need to give this trailer a bit of a freshen up soon. It's the old rusty. Sneak along the footpath. Hello, how are you? Some bloke. Where would you like it? Put it there. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks like good shape now.
Yeah. So it must have been painted before there was
yeah.
went through, I think, a coat of white, a coat of black primer, a coat of white.
Yeah, okay.
Primer and plastic.
Yeah, this is fun getting in the, like getting all that so that it doesn't like build too much in there. Should look awesome. Or just, because there was the scratch in there was just in the paint really, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think.
But most of this got sand.
Yeah, yeah. Full of chips, yeah, exactly. That's good. Awesome. All the scratches are gone. Should be nice. Yeah, this tab under here is just folded under. Is it worth doing this while we got paint mixed and stuff? I thought about this after.
Paint your spoiler.
Yeah.
We're only going to take it off.
Yeah. Thanks, Luke.
Well, yesterday Luke gave me a call from Sampson's to say the Integra was all ready to pick up today, so got the trailer on and heading in to pick it up. Pretty keen to see it all in some fresh paint, no more scratch. Nice fresh bumpers with no stone chips. Pretty excited to put it all back together.
Good morning. How are you?
Very good, you?
Very good.
Beautiful.
There you are. Very nice. Nice. No more wing scratches. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. I've got a brand new badge for it too. Oh, thank you. Beautiful. Yeah, I just want to get all this stuff off from underneath the bumper. So I've got like a really mildly diluted acid just to clean that off. Well, back in the shed and all nice and clean. I think I might, yeah, I'll just fix up this horn before I fit the bumper back on, but anyway. What do you reckon, Daisy? It's good? You happy with it? I think you are. Now that I've got all this cleaned up in behind the bumper, ready to reassemble it all, I'm just going to polish up these headlights a bit and give it a bit of a tidy up. The headlights have been, I think it was 12 years ago now since I redid the headlight enclosures. I put some different headlight projectors in here, which are like a bi-xenon unit, which are pretty cool. So a bit of a sneaky little upgrade. Anyway, I'll tell you more about that in a later video. That's a little bit better. These lenses aren't perfect, but I do have the originals from the car. These were when I did the retrofit. I got another set of headlights, so I didn't want to modify the original ones that came with the car.